We'll guide you through how to add a calculated field to a pivot table in Excel. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Calculated fields are super useful. So first of all, go and select your pivot table. After you've selected it, click on Pivot Table Analyze at the top and go over to the right, and you want to click on Fields, Items and Sets and click on Calculated Field. You can then go and name it. So I'm going to calculate the percentages. So I'll type in percentage like so, and then come into formula, and you can just go and press back until you get to equals. Now go and find the field you want to go and calculate your formula with. Click on it and click on insert field, and it's then inserted it. And then all I'm going to do with my formula, because I'm calculating the percentage, is I'll just go and put a bracket at the start, and then I'll put my cursor at the end of the field name there and press /, and we're going to divide it by the total, which is 93. I can see that down here. Then I'll close the brackets and I'll go and times it by 100. So I'll put an asterisk or star icon and type in 100. And I'll then go and press OK. And just like that, a new field or column has now been added, and we can go and see the percentage of each amount here, and we can see the total, which is 100 at the bottom.